Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your own 4x4 lace wig cap. Guys, if you find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. All you need is a wig cap, needle, thread, and net. I'm going to use this net from this dress. There's a video shared with you last year on how to make cap, and I used a net from a certain dress, but then I realized this net is not the same as the other net from the other dress because this one is slightly lighter. The other one was thicker and I really loved it, but this one is lighter, so it's not the same as this lace for these other wigs. Like this one is thicker and it can't tear easily. So guys, you can get this net from Amazon, you can get it from AliExpress, and they're cheap. Like this one is 1 yard at $7, so they're cheap. You can as well just buy this net from Amazon or AliExpress. So the first step we're going to do is pin down our net and measure the size that you want. We can use a tape measure, but I'm going to use my fingers to measure the 4 inches. And so 6 of my fingers is like 4 inches, but again you can use just a tape measure. So 4 inches length and 4 inches width. After you cut the net, you're going to again adjust it. You're going to unpin it and pin it again, make it tighter and lie flat on the cap. So guys, again, I prefer if you just buy this net from AliExpress or Amazon because I saw it was very cheap and the nets are stronger compared to mine. But I prefer if you buy the long one, like 1 yard, instead of buying the small ones at $1. So after you've sewn it, you're going to cut the cap so that you're left with your lace. So after I saw the net on this cap, I realized the net stretched. Initially it was 6 fingers, right now it's 9 fingers. So this net was too light. But still I love this wig cap because I actually used it to make a braided wig and it was perfect. So guys, again, if you can't make this cap, you can just buy it from Amazon because it's not that expensive. You can just buy it because I know on my next video most of you will ask me where I got this wig cap. So this is the wig that I made using the same cap. As you can see, it looks so perfect. One can tell it's a knit. So guys, make sure you watch my next video on how to make this wig. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video, guys. Love you. Bye.